Hey, this is Trevor with SSV Works, and today on SSV TV, we're talking about adding bass to your CanAm Defender. We're excited to announce the new sub enclosure for your CanAm Defender 2018 through 2024. In the 3-seat models, it goes under the front driver's side seat. On the 6-seat models, it can go under the front driver's side seat or the rear driver's side seat, or both. This molded enclosure is designed specifically for the CanAm Defender under the front driver's side seat or the rear driver's side seat. Because it's rugged and durable, it's going to hold up to the mud, the water, the dirt, UV, anything you can throw at it, and it's rigid, so it's going to make that bass sound really, really good. You're going to get the most out of your subwoofer that you can. It's offered unloaded, which means with no woofer, or you can pair it with one of our woofer options like our new SSV Works V-Spec sub, which is 1,000 watts peak rated and sounds awesome for this environment. If you're looking to make your vehicle rock, then the new Defender sub is absolutely the best option, especially if you could run 2 front and rear, which it does. So, thanks for watching our video. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe. For more information, go to ssvworks.com. I'm Trevor. This is SSV TV. We'll see you out there.